cost of vehicle insurance is going up all over the country, but here in Florida, we're paying the most to insure our cars.
$2,560. That is the average that we pay every year, much higher than the national average. Watch 2 Investigates Sheldon Dutes found out why we are paying so much and what you can do right now to save some money.
Between gas prices and rising car insurance rates, it's costing Central Florida drivers like Mel Greenberg more money just to get around these days.
I would say about 2 years ago, my 6-month premium with Geico was under $500, and now it's probably closer to $650.
Across the country, car insurance rates are going up for everyone for a variety of reasons, and a lot of different factors determine how much our individual policies cost. And even with all of those different variables, we are still paying the most just to insure our cars here in Florida. Overall, we are spending on average about $213 a month on car insurance. If you live in Orlando, it's about $3 more a month. Regardless of where you live, though, we are paying on average 52% more than the national average, which is just $140 a month.
And what is it where we can't afford it? We on a fixed income. So how's that going to work?
It's a lot of money. I don't want to pay it.
Laura Longero is the executive director of Insure.com, which tracked all that data.
So Florida is one of the no-fault states, and no-fault states like Michigan, Florida typically have a lot higher insurance rates.
She says Florida also has a higher percentage of uninsured drivers.
Rates are higher for younger drivers, so teens and college students, and higher for senior drivers. And Florida has higher population of those two groups as well, more tourists.
The Insurance Information Institute also points out some other obstacles.
Florida always seems to be a national leader in fraud. We've always had a very high level of auto insurance fraud.
Just this year, the state's CFO announced the arrest of 5 people in Miami for a staged accident scheme. And last summer, a Tampa clinic owner also got arrested for the same thing.
We also just have higher levels of traffic accident severity in Florida. We rank as one of the deadliest states in the country typically because our roads are so congested.
Aside from being a safe driver, you can save money by bundling your insurance policies, maintaining good credit, asking about loyal customer discounts, and having anti-theft devices. James Lumbra is the president of LRA Insurance and says you can also save money by paying up front.
One that's probably a little bit harder to do sometimes, especially as the premiums increase, is paid in full.
Okay.
So there's a pay in full discount that actually can be fairly significant.
Having a higher deductible can also help.
So sometimes people use the car insurance as maintenance to their if something small happens or whatever. But if you use the deductible as a larger one, then you'll be able to decrease your premiums.
So what are you going to do in the meantime while these prices go up? Are you going to shop around for a new plan? Are you going to keep it, ride this out?
I'll probably ride it out. I really don't want to switch just to save a couple of bucks. But if I can save a considerable amount of money, I would have to switch, yes.
Sheldon Dutes, WESH 2 News.